the Fiil T1X True Wireless Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at the Fiil T1X True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide and a quick start guide. You get an assortment of earwings, ear tips, and the USB-C cable for charging. The Fiil T1X features 6 hours of listening time, 24 hours with the case, takes 40 minutes to fully charge, uses Bluetooth 5.0 and the Realtek chip. It has 6.1mm drivers, AAC and SBC codec, touch controls, and app integration. USB-C for charging, and it's IP65 sweat and waterproof. The case has a simple plastic design, and you can see the branding on the top. On the front of the case, you have the charge status LED. And on the back, you'll find the USB-C charge port. The lid opens and closes easily, and it's magnetic. The earbuds are easy to remove, and you will see the shortcut on each side of the earbuds etched in inside the case, as well as the left and right ear indicator. The earbuds have a nice ergonomic shape to it. Inside is a flat black finish, and on the outer face you have a glossy finish with the branding. It also has a large surface for the touch control. Each of the earbuds have a microphone, LED, interchangeable earwings, charging contacts, interchangeable ear tips, and the touch control. The Fiil T1X also has app integration, and you can download the Fiil Plus app. Once connected, you have access to the EQ settings. You can select bass, original, treble, or an assortment of the EQ presets, from classic to soft bass. You also have the ability to modify the touch controls, the connections, and the sensitivity of the controls. And here they are side by side. Navigating playback and call controls are outlined in the manual and in the app, and it's pretty straightforward. The case comes in at 2.9 by 1.4 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at 43 grams, and the earbuds come in at 10 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, and there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Fiil T1X microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Call quality was very good for me. The microphone came in loud and clear, and the other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was also instant, as this offers a quick link feature. Very fast and no issues. You can use the earbuds independently, left or right side. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency, and range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Fiil T1X true wireless earbuds, and sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. The earbud fitment was excellent. It was easy to put on and it created a nice tight seal. The earwings give you that added support, and you get good passive noise isolation. I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. The touch controls are a definite plus, and it won't give you that additional pressure when navigating. They had no issues staying to place while running. Build and quality is pretty good. The case feels durable along with the earbuds, and the earbuds have a simple design with the glossy outer face. The touch controls are responsive and easy to navigate, and they don't protrude out as much. And as I mentioned, the fit is very good. I definitely like the app integration, and I wasn't expecting that at this price point. The battery life is respectable, coming in at 6 hours and 24 plus with the case. And it's nice to have USB-C for charging as well. The IP65 is also another good feature, as this can help those that lead active lifestyles. Now let's talk about the sounds. I really didn't know what to expect with these earbuds, but I was actually surprised with the overall sounds that this puts out. The bass is solid and very prominent. It's punchy and tight. Definitely in line with, say, the Edifier TWS5 or the True Engine SE. Mids and highs are also clean and clear. It's not too forward, but just on point for me. The EQ settings also give you that flexibility to dial things down or choose the presets for your listening needs. It was a pleasant listening experience as I tested with various music genres. Overall, I think these are a solid pair of earbuds. For the price, you get solid sounds and app integration. It has decent battery life, and the IP65 rating will protect you from the elements. So that is my review of the Fiil T1X True Wireless Earbuds. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.